Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the air conditioner compressor on a Volkswagen Beetle. That's new Beetle. This includes all the way until 2006 model. So if you need it from 1998 all the way to 2005, that's how you replace the or remove the AC compressor. This one is diesel, but it's the same for gas model as well. So first, of course, you need to open the hood, and you need to make sure that you have no freon inside the line. So you need to empty that, and then you need to jack the car up or just drive it on the stands, because we're going to work underneath the vehicle right there. So what we need to do first, we need to remove that plastic cover, that the bottom engine cover. Okay, we're about to pull it out. A few screws, in our case with a Phillips screwdriver, hold it there. I think it's about 5-6, depends, sometimes people don't put all of them. And now this side plastic right there, we need to remove this one. It's with T15 socket, I think, and it pulls down now. Okay, after remove the screw on the back, you just pull it down. That's what's holding it right here. Let me get a better view so I can show you. Right here, this is just, it goes right there, so you just need to pull the plastic down pretty strong, but don't break it. Okay, as you can see on the passenger side, on the right side of the vehicle, that's the air conditioner compressor right there. First thing that we need to do is we need to remove the belt. Okay, right there now. To take the belt off, right there, that's the tensioner. You can see that's the pulley for the air conditioner. So right there, with a 16mm wrench, and you just go to the back of the car. You go clockwise, and the belt gets loose, and you just pull it off the air conditioner pulley. Okay, now on the back right there, that's the hoses, 2 hoses, and the wire. So we need to remove the wire that goes to the air compressor and to the AC compressor. And now with a 6mm Allen wrench, we need to remove both hoses. As you can see, one is right there and the one on top of this one. Okay, you need to remove the bottom one first so you can access the top one. Otherwise, the socket will not go in the second hose. So now we're ready to remove the second hose. Okay, now we're ready to remove the 2 bolts that hold the AC compressor. One is right there, and the other one is on the other side, on the back. I won't be able to get a clear view with the camera, but you can see where it is. And we just take these bolts off all the way. Second one, you need to hold the compressor, and then we remove the second bolt, and you need to kind of like, it gets there really tight, so you go up and down until it comes out of the bracket there. Okay, right there, and that's how it comes off. Okay, right here, and you just get a new compressor and put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.